Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Update, my 1000 Day Challenge. This is day 774. So let's get things started. Alright, so first and foremost, equity balance remain the same. Like what I mentioned, I'm not active any trade right now for crypto itself. Let's see how things goes. And across the board, even though we did form a green candlestick for yesterday itself, it seems like today we're seeing a very strong reversal itself because yesterday we get up for two previous days itself, and right now we're capping very strongly down. And the clear thing is we actually kept right below 50 and 20 exponential moving average on the daily chart, which is a very clear bearish sign itself because we didn't even manage or attempt to find it as potential support. So definitely short term wise, I have clearly switched to the bearish momentum, especially I don't think the chances of actually closing above it right now is very slim. We still have around 6 hours to go, yes, but the way that it has opened and the way that it's going right now, the direction wise definitely lean towards the risk side of things. So if that were to break down further itself, definitely retesting the lows of over recent years is very likely. So let's see how low we can get for across the board, even for the US market. The China equity market itself is clearly bearish, as I mentioned. We didn't even manage to close above the 20 exponential moving average on the daily chart. And for KBAC itself, it's always been range bound over here, like I mentioned, crisscrossing the angle of the exponential moving average of the 20 exponential moving average is clearly relatively flat. There's no clear direction. Over here, it was the downside. Here is clearly there was upside. Right now, it is more or less relatively flat in that sense. And then finally, for Bitcoin itself, it seems to be mirroring the move, except that it's in a gap in the sense, simply because we don't have any so-called closing hours in that sense. So similarly, if the 20 exponential moving average don't hold, which I don't think it will hold, especially if the market were to look further bearish itself, but it's quite correlated with a 3% and 4% drop. Dropping 6% is not necessarily bad in my opinion. So let's see how things goes. If we could still hold above this 20.5K region itself, there could tentatively still be some sort of strength. Of course, at the end of the day, we do hope that crypto market could break the kind of clear correlation it has with the stock market itself. But bear in mind that if we do get more and more involvement with the institution-wise, there could be some sort of a further correlation. As you can see that even gold itself is not doing well. And even in fact, today oil itself is not doing well. The only thing that's done well today is actually the DXY, which is purely the US dollar. So yeah, as they say, if US dollar does well, generally the others will be impacted in a negative sense, and it does seem like it. All right, with that said, I've come to the end of today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.